Welcome students. In previous lesson we learned how to find the total surface area and volume of the combined solid. Now let us deal with exercise problems. Exercise 7.3 first sum. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. See here. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter is 14 cm. So what's radius? 7 cm. Height of the vessel is 13 cm. Here total height is given 13 cm. We have to find the capacity of the vessel. First find out the height of the cylinder. To calculate the height, we have to subtract the radius of the hemisphere. So 13 minus 7, 6 cm. Before going to solve the problem, we have to list out the shapes and their measurements. First cylinder, radius 7 cm, height of the cylinder 6 cm. Then for hemisphere, radius equal to 7 cm. In combined solids, radius doesn't change. Capacity of the vessel equal to volume of the cylinder plus volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h plus volume of the hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the values. Pi into radius 7. See here we have to substitute the height of the cylinder, not the total height. So 6. Then 2 by 3 pi into radius 7. First find out the common terms. See here pi into 7 into 7. So take it outside. In first term write 6 plus second term multiply this 2 into 7, 14 by 3. Here we have to add this whole number and fraction. We all know how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Use that method here. Substitute the value of pi 22 by 7 into 7, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 14, 32 by 3. 7 and 7 get cancelled. Then multiply the numerator and divided by 3. We get 1642.6666. Round off to 2 decimal places. 1642.67. So capacity of the vessel equal to 1642.67 centimeter cube. Second sum. Northern is an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its 2 ends. See here. Cylinder with 2 cones attached. Then the diameter of the model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. Total length is given 12 cm. Diameter 3 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, see here, height of the cone equal to 2 cm. Find the volume of the model that Northern made. First read the question carefully and draw the diagram. Then only you can easily solve the problem. Cylinder with 2 cones attached together, total height 12 cm and diameter 3 cm, height of the cone 2 cm. It is given in the question. We have to find the volume of the model. Here we have to find the height of the cylinder. So total height 12 cm, then left side 2 cm, right side 2 cm. So 12 minus 4, 8 cm is the height of this cylinder. Before that, we list out the shapes and their dimensions. Cylinder, radius 3 by 2 cm, height 8 cm. Half of the diameter is the radius, diameter 3 cm, so 3 by 2. Then next, cone. Cone, radius 3 by 2 cm, height 2 cm. If we list out like this, it's very easy to solve the problem. Volume of the model equal to volume of the cylinder plus 2 into volume of the cone. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h plus 2 into volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the values. Before that, take pi s outside. Pi 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. See here it is the height of the cylinder. So 8. And here it is the height of the cone. Cancel the terms. 2 and 2 get cancelled. And this 2 and 2, 3 and 3. Listen, see here. 2 2s are 4. So 8 divided by 4, 2. There is no numbers in denominator. So multiply the numerators. Substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7 into First term 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. For second term 3 only. So 18 plus 3 21. Cancel the 7 and 21 3. 22 into 3 66. So volume of the model equal to 66 cubic centimeter. For this type of question, first read the questions carefully and draw the diagram. Then only you can easily solve the problem. Both are important 5 mark sums. Practice well. Thank you.